Hey friends, it's Miss Evan. So we had some Giraffes parents request a science experiment and I thought we'd do one. So this is a science experiment and a music experiment. And as you can see here, I have 5 different glasses, not including this little one. And there's something very special about these glasses other than the fact that they're different colors. And you are going to find out that I'm going to make them musical. Are you ready? Okay, so listen. Do you hear that? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try the green one and see if you hear a different sound. Did you hear a different one? Okay, let's try this one. Whoa, that one is really, really high. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see if we can make all these different sounds into a song that maybe you recognize. So I'm gonna try to play a song on our musical glasses, and you get to guess what song I'm playing. Are you ready? Here we go, listen up. All right, what song was that? I'll give you some time to guess. You're right, it was Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna do this song with the same pitches. That's what you call the different sounds you hear on the glasses, but a whole different song. You might not know it, but maybe your parents will. Here we go, ready? All right, that one was called Hot Cross Buns. So it was the same set of notes or pitches, but a whole entire different song. So that's the end of this science/music video. And parents, if you don't have food coloring like I didn't, you can use all kinds of random things around your house to put colors in things maybe other than wine glasses if you want to do your own water experiments. This is paprika, this is turmeric, this is pomegranate juice, and some smoothie powder, and windshield wiper fluid. So get as creative as you want to do all kinds of colorful things at home. All right, bye!